Guys, we're gonna do some experimentation. Okay, this is the one I'm still waiting on authorization. Remember when I talked about they want me to send them pictures of bad cam phasers? Yeah, virtually impossible. Well, anyway, I got the valve cover off. Okay, y'all remember the video I uploaded the other day where I was speaking about these oil galley plugs that tend to walk off? Now, I made me a special wrench a long time ago to where every time I got the valve covers off, I can get down there and verify that they loose, and I can use this end to tighten it if they loose. At any rate, they getting checked every time the valve cover is off, because they've been known to walk off and affect your oil pressure. And when your oil pressure is affected, variable valve timing is affected, and that can cause some problems. So the subject came up is, can you check these with the valve cover still on? Okay, now on my video I showed you that you couldn't. I got this valve cover right here. I already got the solenoids off, so I'm gonna put this back on. We're gonna simulate. Okay, I'm gonna go get my eyes, my boroscope, because I had a couple of guys in the comment section. David was mentioning about we might can stick some eyes through here. With that bolt on, it's gonna be hard. However, you don't want to take that bolt off in the valve cover, because if that cam accidentally walk off, yeah, you're gonna be, and you not in time. Okay, I got top dead center up right now as we speak. Yes, this has to be up if this up, because the engine was in time. It drove in. I'm just waiting on some cam phases. So I'm gonna put this valve cover back on, go get my eyes, and see if we can see if this. Now I don't know. Another guy mentioned in the comment section, even if you can see it, you can't. You can see if it has walked all the way out, but you can't see if it's loose. Well, you won't be able to tell if it's loose unless you can really get your eyeballs in there and see how much clearance between the bolt and the damn head. All right, see, as of now it looks tight. Okay, but how's that gonna look with the boroscope? All right, you guys just some of you guys lazy. You want to be able to tell without removing the valve cover. I get it. Let's grab some eyes. Guys, I'm not having any luck with my little cheapo Amazon boroscope. See why? Because when I set this in here, let me set it up. Okay, as you can see, looking at the screen, yeah, I can't get past the lip. Yeah, so one might be tempting to take that bolt off. You know what? Since we experimenting, I'm gonna take it off right now. In fact, that was another guy question. Can you replace the oil? Oh no! I can't even get a socket in there. Okay, I can't get a socket in now, and this is the thinnest socket I have for that. So I guess the answer to this question is inconclusive. All right, now I'm guessing if I had a thinner head that I can go in there with, I probably can see. But as of now, that's as far as I can get in there with this. All right, so inconclusive, guys. Take the damn valve cover off, like I say, and verify that those bolts tight, because you don't want to be driving around with low oil pressure. That can throw everything off. Damn, I wish I wanted to see if that. I'm sure you guys out there got them heavy, big dollar boroscope, real thin. I seen one guy, an adjuster came out one time. His head do that. Look around. Yeah, that's high dollar there. This Amazon. You snap on boards. Where you snap on boards there with the good ones? All right, the test is inconclusive. All right, I'm not gonna say you can or you can't. Okay. All right, that's all I have.